How to get zero ping in Fortnite Chapter 5. If you're looking to reduce lag and get better ping in Chapter 5 Season 1, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll dive into all the tips and tricks to help you achieve zero ping. With the new season, there have been some lag spikes and changes, so this video should come in handy. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so here's the deal. If you haven't figured it out yet, your ping is heavily influenced by where you live. Now, I'm gonna focus on the NA servers in this video, but if you're anywhere else, this idea probably still applies to you. So, to hit that sweet zero ping, you basically gotta live right on top of the server. In competitive gaming, there's no east or west server. It's all about being centrally located. For instance, the NA server is in Texas, so if you're in New York and trying to rock a central-based tournament, forget about getting zero ping. It just won't happen. You gotta be practically neighbors with the server. But fear not, there are some tricks to significantly drop that ping of yours. First up, grab yourself an Ethernet cable. It's like a direct road from your console or PC to your router. See that thing back there? That's my router, and I've got an Ethernet cable running straight from my PC to it. That's how I roll with that sweet zero ping. Now, let's talk about the difference between high ping and inconsistent ping. Inconsistent ping is when you're breezing through creative on 20 ping, but once you hop into a game, it shoots up to 60 and sometimes even spikes to 70, real unpredictable. On the other hand, high ping is where you're stuck at a steady 60 ping all the time, no matter what you're playing. It's not ideal, but guess what? Slap on that Ethernet cable and it'll turn your wild, inconsistent ping into a cool, steady number. Easy as pie. Alright, let me break it down for you. Even if your ping is still on the higher side, the key is to keep it consistent. Hope that makes sense. Now here's a nifty tip. Try to have as few people as possible hogging the Wi-Fi. If your place is buzzing with activity, with one person streaming Hulu and another binging on Netflix, well, brace yourself for some high ping. Now let's talk Ethernet cables. There are different types like Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7. Lucky for you, if you grab a Cat5 or Cat6, you should be in good shape. I won't get into the technical details of what each cable does, just know these are the good ones. They come in various lengths and sizes, so pick the right fit for your setup. Now, picture this scenario. You're gaming in the basement, but your Wi-Fi router is chilling upstairs. You don't want cables snaking through your entire house, right? Enter the Wi-Fi extender. There are different types, but the basic idea is you plug it into the wall, it syncs up with your router, and voila! It spreads that Wi-Fi goodness all over your house. So, if you've ever noticed your signal getting weak on the far side of your place, a Wi-Fi extender is like the superhero that makes your Wi-Fi signal strong and mighty everywhere. Easy peasy. Oh, and here's a pro tip for the tech enthusiasts. You could technically run that Ethernet cable from your router to the Wi-Fi extender and then to your console. But hey, that might be a bit of overkill. Now, a word of caution if you're considering a Wi-Fi extender, make sure you grab the right one. If you're rocking AT&T, get yourself an AT&T Wi-Fi extender. Trust me, you don't want to mix and match there. I've been there, done that, not a fun experience. I'll be straight with you though, Wi-Fi extenders can be a tad pricier and a bit more of a hassle. My solid recommendation, stick with the good old Ethernet cable. It's reliable, it's strong, and it gets the job done without any fuss. Keep it simple, right? Alright, let's dive into some more tech wizardry. If you're dealing with high ping, Epic Games actually suggests tweaking your DNS settings. The top dogs in the DNS world are Google and, I believe, Cloudflare. Here's the lowdown on the best settings. Head on to your PC settings, hit up Change Adapter Options, choose your network, and click on Properties. Now, find Internet Protocol version 4, hit Properties again, and choose Use Custom DNS Server. For the magic numbers, punch in 8888 for the primary and 8844 for the alternate. Don't forget to hit Apply. Epic Games swears by this DNS change, so it should give your ping a nice little haircut. Now, let's talk about banishing input delay and keeping your ping in check. Before you jump into the gaming arena, give your console or PC a little restart. If you've got other apps running in the background, like Netflix, video editing, or whatever, close them up before you launch Fortnite. Trust me, you'll notice way less input delay and your ping will thank you. This goes double for the console crew, especially if you're in the habit of leaving your system on overnight. That can seriously hike up your ping and input delay. So, a little restart goes a long way in the world of smoother gaming. Now, let's talk in-game settings. Make sure you've got your replays, player server, and subtitles all switched off. Weirdly enough, having these things on can jack up your ping and throw in some extra input delay. And hey, just in case it slipped your mind, double check that you've got the right server selected. If you're rolling on EU or Central, make sure you're on that server. You don't want to be in NA West playing a Brazil server showdown. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Until next time, happy gaming!